What's up, guys? Welcome to another video, and this lens is crooked. Let me just adjust that. Oh, there we go. Hey, okay. So I hope this is all clear and looks good and sounds great because I'm using a Blue Yeti mic. Awesome mic. Anyways, I hope your Friday or Saturday, whenever this is being uploaded, I hope you all enjoy it and like it. But I just want to talk about something really important, and that is money. Money is a tool. Money is something that you use in your everyday life. You use it to buy your PlayStations, your Xbox Series X. I have a review of that somewhere over here. I'll link to it. You buy your GPUs, your computer parts. All of that takes money, dinero, moolah, everything. Anyways, it's really important that you make money, save money, and invest it. And you're able to buy more video games or whatever buy more lattes, chocolate frappuccino. God, what is Starbucks? Is it like pumpkin spice latte? Whatever the hell that's called. Anyways, that's really important. And that's what money is. It's a tool for you to buy the things you like and spend it, donate it, whatever you want to do with it. So why is it so important? And why do I emphasize it so much? Well, it's important because it allows you to survive in the world, get food. Man, I could really go for a Big Mac right now. Anyways, I'm going on a lot of tangents, so if you don't like that, I'm so sorry. Actually, I'm not sorry. Anyways, so usually most people, when they start off a finance video, they always have that douchey intro of the guy getting off the plane in his nice little custom fit suit and his nice little, douchey haircut, and he's getting off that private jet, jumping into his Lamborghini. I'm going to insert some B-roll footage in there anyways. But that's not the way it works out in the real world. Really, money needs to be invested, saved. You need to do something with it. You don't want to let your money just sit there. So I'm going to talk about one of the most important ways to make money. Get a job. No, I'm just kidding. That's not really what I want to say. You don't want to just get a job and just take your money and spend it and not do anything with it. For instance, most of y'all out there have a bank account. You have money sitting in it. And if it's just sitting there, it's not earning you very much. We call that little bit you earn on money called interest. So sitting in a bank account, you never really make any money because the interest is like really tiny. So you want to take your money and put it elsewhere to make more money so that eventually you have enough that you don't have to work and you can go play Grand Theft Auto 5 or 6. I think it's 5 that's being remastered, but Grand Theft Auto 5, you can buy more of these whenever you want because you want that money to grow. A lot of people, they used to put it under mattresses or, stick it in the ground and it's just there and it doesn't do anything. So that's the thing about money. You got to invest it. You got to save it. So one of the best ways to do that is to invest in stocks. Stocks are basically pieces of companies that you can buy out there and you can buy like a little piece of it. It's like buying a little piece of pie, like cherry pie. I didn't eat lunch, so I might be doing a lot of food references, just a side note. But anyways, you want to invest your money and actually let that grow. So for instance, you buy, our favorite stock here is Microsoft. You buy a little bit of Microsoft shares and you keep investing that. And eventually, whatever you bought for $100, it might go to 150. That's how people make money on the stock. So there's two ways to make money with stocks. Either the stock goes up or they pay you something called a dividend. It's like a little thank you from the company saying, hey, thanks for just choosing our stock and, thank you for being an investor. Here's a little bit of our profit and money to you. That's a dividend. So now we know stocks pay dividends or they go up in value, which is called appreciation. I appreciate you for subscribing and liking this video. Anyways, so that's how stocks work. Basically, you're buying a piece of a company and letting it go up in value, and that's how you make money, or you get paid in a dividend. So you buy that stock and you sell it, you get some money, and that's how you make money from stocks. Before you jump into Robinhood and open up your accounts and do all these other things, you also want to consider that every time you buy things or sell things, you're liable for something called taxes. They say the only thing sure in life is death and taxes, so keep that in mind. But anyways, that's literally really a short little bit I want to talk about stocks. More to come, though. Talk to y'all later.